I am absolutely thrilled to share with you the incredible experience I had with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Marathahalli, Bangalore. When it comes to level marking survey, this company is truly the best in the business. From the moment I contacted them, I was impressed with their professionalism and expertise. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd took the time to understand my specific needs and requirements, and they delivered beyond my expectations. The level marking survey conducted by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd was nothing short of exceptional. Their attention to detail and precision in their work was truly commendable. They utilized the latest technology and equipment to ensure accurate measurements and markings. The team of experts at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd left no stone unturned in ensuring that every aspect of the survey was carried out flawlessly. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies in the industry is their commitment to customer satisfaction. Throughout the entire process, they were constantly in touch with me, providing updates and seeking feedback. They truly value their customers and go above and beyond to ensure that their needs are met. It was clear that Scon Design India Pvt Ltd prioritizes quality and customer service above all else. Another aspect that impressed me about Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their extensive experience in the field. With years of experience under their belt, they have developed a deep understanding of the level marking survey industry. This expertise was evident in every step of the process, from planning to execution. Their knowledge and skills were truly unparalleled. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's office in Marathahalli, Bangalore is a testament to their professionalism and dedication. The office is well equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, showcasing their commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements in the industry. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd works seamlessly together, creating a harmonious environment that fosters creativity and innovation. In conclusion, my experience with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for the level marking survey was nothing short of exceptional. Their professionalism, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction are truly commendable. I highly recommend Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for anyone in need of a level marking survey company. They are undoubtedly the best in the business and will exceed your expectations every step of the way.